Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the mathematics paper of JEE Main 2019 which was conducted on 10th January in the evening shift. Let's begin with the first question of maths. Let alpha and beta be two given vectors such that here a and b are involved which are non-collinear. We have to find the value of lambda so that the vectors alpha and beta are collinear. Now two vectors are collinear, meaning what we require? We simply say alpha vector is equal to t times beta vector. I am sure this is clear. Okay. So let us say I have multiplied this one with t, correct. When you multiply, then you can compare the coefficients of a vector and b vector. Comparing the coefficients, you can clearly write here as lambda minus 2 is equal to, from the coefficient of a vector, is equal to t times 4 lambda minus 2, right. From b vector you have 1 is equal to 3t, giving you the value of t as 1 by 3. Substitute this value of t as 1 by 3 in first equation. You can see lambda minus 2 is equal to 1 by 3 times 4 lambda minus 2, giving you lambda as minus 4. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Let's mark and write it down. So let's move on to the second question of this paper. If the area of an equilateral triangle inscribed in the circle, one equation is given, is 27 root 3 square units, then find C. So first let's draw a circle and inscribe an equilateral triangle to it. Say like this, say the side of the triangle be A and the radius be R. So clearly you can write here, this is R, obviously this length would be R by 2 because here circumcenter, centroid, everything is same. So it is dividing in the ratio 2:1. So this is R by 2. So the total length AD is 3R by 2. Now applying AD upon AB is equal to sine 60 degree. From here you have 3R by 2A is equal to root 3 by 2. So we get a relation in A and R, and what is that? We are getting A is equal to root 3 R. Now area of the triangle is given 27 root 3, therefore area is equal to, it is given by root 3 by 4 A square and it is given to us 27 root 3. Substitute the value of A as root 3 R, you get root 3 by 4 multiplied with 3 R square is 27 root 3. Root 3 is cancelled on each side, 3 also cancelled. So we are left with 9 into 4 as R square, or R is simply 6. I am sure this is clear. Now radius is obtained as 6. Question is asking for the value of C. This is 25 plus 36 minus C and whole square root. So let us go for it. Therefore 25 plus 36 minus C is 36, giving you the value for C as 25. So let us see from the given options, 25, yes, it is available as option number 2. So let us mark and mention as the correct answer. Moving on to the third question of this paper. The number of values of theta in the interval 0 to pi, its open interval, for which the system of linear equations has a non-trivial solution. System of equation has non-trivial solution, meaning determinant is 0. So simply get the determinant of this equation as 0. So let us write down. We can write any of the three equations as the first equation. So let us say I am considering the third one as first, so that I can write the coefficients like sine 3 theta, cos 2 theta and 2. Then you have 1, 3, 7 and you have minus 1, 4 and 7 is equal to 0, correct. Expanding it, you have sine 3 theta multiplied with 21 minus 28 giving you minus 7 minus cos 2 theta multiplied with, you have 7 plus 7, that is 14, plus 2 times 4 plus 3, that is 7, is equal to 0. So, this is the result we are getting here. Next, we can divide this equation by 7 just to simplify, and sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta with negative sign, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta minus 2 times cos 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, you can see 2 is cancelled, the constant is eliminated, right. Next, you can take sin theta common. On taking sin theta common, you have minus multiplied to it. So, you have 4 sin square theta. Next, you have the term plus 4 sin square theta. Sin theta was common, so we are left with plus 4 sin theta. Moving ahead, we have minus 3 sin theta taken common. So, minus 3 is equal to 0. I am sure this equation is clear to you. One is sin theta is equal to 0. Next is 4 sin square theta plus 4 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. We can factorize it as 4 sin square theta plus 6 sin theta minus 2 sin theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So, from here you have simply sin theta is equal to half, as 2 sin theta minus 1 is taken common. So, you have sin theta equals half, other factor is not possible. Now, in the interval 0 to pi open interval, it is not going to give you any value. 1 by 6 will be taken twice, once in first quadrant and other time in the second quadrant, that is pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6. So, the correct answer is option number 4. I am sure this part is clear. Let us move on to the next question, that is question number 4.